and proud and happy. I passed out in 2009 batch 7 to 9 with roll number 007. I remember that one, and it was great. Actually, ours is a second batch, and everything was new. And always everyone agree that new thing have a lot of energy and lot of excitement and explore many things. And we did in fact. And this month, Soumya, if you echo with me, on December 1st, we have done National AIDS Day. We have collected funds across the college and nearby Gatkesar in the
Yes.
first semester of our batch. And second semester, we have done anti-terrorism campaign, actually, kill terrorism and protest terrorist attack. So it was wonderful experience of my MBA journey. And let me be short in the benefit of time. I'm into pharma sales since passing out from MBA. I've joined one of the MNC company, the Pfizer. Since then, starting with the sales executive, medical rep sales executive, now I'm into the second level management, one of the MNC company, and all the inputs which I've got from 2007-9 batch with Sanjay madam, Sukanya madam, and definitely remember Satyanarayan sir. And whatever I am, definitely the seeds has been sown during those 2 years of my MBA days. And I'm a happy married person now, enjoying with two kids. Time is flying off. Taking time for this is really tough, but I love my college. Took time out of my kids' evening time. And thanks everyone, and looking forward to hear from each one of you. And all the best. Thanks, Somen. Thanks, Sunil sir, once again.
Thank you so much, Om. We are very glad that you started off so well. Thank you so much.
And he is our BOS advisory member from previous batches, student advisory member, board member also. So thank you, Om, for your contributions. And I remember I have taken his project work under my guidance. And every time he used to ask me so many questions. Till now also, even his training is going on. Whenever he has inputs, he just texts me, this is what I have learned, along with the PDF notes, what he has written. So that's really wonderful, Om. And
Thank
we
you,
look
ma'am. Thank you
forward
so
for
much.
the in the future years also.
Sure, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am. My pleasure. And thanks again for all your support and guidance. Thanks.
Thank you, Om. I now request Arpan to please speak.
Hello everyone, I'm Arpan and I'm 2009 pass out. During my tenure, I have enjoyed a lot as well as I've learned many things which is very useful in my career and my day-to-day activities. And I'm thank you to each and everyone who have supported me and guided me, especially my mentors who are my lecturers, my colleague, my classmates, everybody. Thank you everybody for being with me and being support and encouraging me during my tenure. And while coming to my career, I've started as a recruiter in 2010 in Stravis IT Solutions, and in within 2 years in the same company, I have been trained in SAP HR, and I have been moved in the SAP HCM. I have been successful SAP HCM consultant. I was promoted as associate consultant in the same company, and later I have been moved as a senior consultant in UPS in Dehradun. Since 3 years, I was in Dehradun, and recently I've resigned as it was a occasion of my happiness. Like I was married in 2020, Jan 2020, and in August have been resigned from Dehradun. Now I am a senior HR manager in hospital, Pranam Hospital, which is located in Madinaguda, Miapur. And now I'm a senior HR manager over there. So I thank you because Srinidhi was a milestone where I have learned each and every milestone, what is success, how failure is, and without failure you can't able to achieve success. And I'm very much thank you to all of you to be my a part of my journey. Because of you all, I'm here. Thank you so much.
That's so kind of you, Arpan. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Probably
Arpan. As we have
your wife
seen,
is part of the other meet.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am, Sanjay ma'am, please.
yeah, Arpan, I've seen you. You were very quiet, and as far as I remember, you are a very good singer also. Apart from your academic career. You have given us a lot of inputs related to your academic career, which we were not aware of. Thank you so much, and
Thank you, ma'am.
very good to hear that you are into HR line and you have been training so many employees, whoever are joining into your institution or taking care about the SAP,
Yeah,
right?
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Nikhil, are you in a hurry? Nikhil, are you there?
I'll speak after someone else.
You're there, right? Okay. You're not
Yeah,
going to leave,
I'm
right?
wrapping
Okay,
up.
fine.
No, I'm not going to leave, but I'll speak later.
Okay, no problem. Right, right. Thank you. We'll now hear from Shivanagraj. Raj, please. You're in mute, Raj.
Done.
Yeah.
Is it audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hi, everyone. My name is Shiv Nagraj. I also come from the same batch of Soumya and Omkareshwar Arpan. At present, I'm looking after my family business, and it's a hotel. And it started by my ancestors. And now it's my turn. This is the fourth generation. We are running out our family business. And this is the place where it gave me some good friends and great mentors. And that is a place which showed me what I really wanted and what my responsibility is. And it changed my. There is a place where my life has been changed. What exactly I wanted in the future. That's all I can say. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Raj. Thank you so much for being there. Krishna Kishori, are you there? Kishori? Yeah, Kishori.
Yeah, I'm there.
Hi.
Hi, how are you all? I'm
We are
fine.
doing good.
Good.
So
Hello,
please
Krishna
share your
Kishori.
experiences after MBA with all of us.
I don't have much experiences because I have never worked. I'm a housewife. I stay in US. My husband works for Terimu. It's just nice to see you all. Like I just wanted to see all my friends and all the newcomers and my teachers. I just wanted to meet everybody. So that's why I joined. It's so
Thank you,
nice that
Kishori.
even in this COVID situation, we are all able to make contact and chit chat for some time. It's good. That's what I feel.
Yeah, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. I request Harini to please speak about your profession, your career, and all.
Thank you, ma'am. Can you hear me?
You're audible.
Signal is there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
perfect.
I worked before joining MBA with Dell. And then when I joined Srinidhi, I actually kind of understood what education is. And I was skeptical about joining finance. I didn't know a word of it. But post MBA, and I've made a very good friend who actually taught me how a student is supposed to be, and that's Harinath Reddy. I am forever indebted to what he's taught me as a student and to everybody in college, including Sukanya ma'am, Sandhya ma'am, Soumya ma'am, Vishwanath sir, Sunil sir, all the faculty, Lakshmi ma'am, Madhura ma'am. I mean, what I'm trying to say is that even if so I worked, so yeah, I joined college, and then first year was like a mix of all subjects. So I had a good time learning all that. Second year proved to be a major milestone for me because I didn't know anything about finance. And I remember walking up to Soumya ma'am telling, ma'am, I don't know anything about finance. And today I ended up making a career in that line. It all happened through Sukanya ma'am, Soumya ma'am, and everybody. And so when college was completed, there was this Brigadia program where they gave us the training. that kind of gave me my next job in Australia. So with Berkadia, I was doing underwriting leases, which was completely into legal concepts. And after that, I got married and then I moved to Australia. Here, I found a role where I found something similar in the same line as insurance underwriting administrator. So getting this role for an Indian in our, like, I'll be honest, man, there is racism. I'll be honest with you, there is racism. Indians are not that supported by whites, but then in that pool of whites and all of that, what supported me was the hard work that I learned in Srinidhi. Like in college, I used to maintain this book that Samya ma'am used to actually tell us to write down all the finance terminology. So that kind of made me create another book. And then from there, I moved into this role. And it's like 5 months into this role now. I've been with my current company, Link Group, for almost like 18 months, and recently got promoted as insurance underwriter. So my expertise in terms of this lies in insurance, and I underwrite all the policies and all that currently. So thank you, everybody. I know I spoke a bit long, but I'm so excited. Thank you.
No, you
everybody.
stayed so long for all of us. It's almost midnight, na? You crossed 1 o'clock, I guess.
1:30, ma'am.
Okay.
Be there in Australia.
So thanks a lot.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I'm
sir.
in
She's in
Australia.
Australia.
So insurance, risk management, etc. has helped you to get
Yes,
into
sir.
this job
Berkadia
there.
program. Yes, Berkadia only helped me get my current role, sir. The training that we got in Berkadia, they conducted an exam, sir. I came third in that. Then after that, I joined that job and I worked with them for 15 months, sir. 15 months low, I have learned about what underwriting is, what their legal concepts are. That is similar to my current role that I'm doing in Australia. So it all started with Berkadia.
Very good, very good. So
thank you, sir.
Do you want to have any further improvements in our curriculum?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Anything
sir.
That, would you please tell so that they can be introduced in our curriculum?
Yes, sir. I will always say, sir, that underplaying expertise is a big skill, sir. Everybody is well skilled, and when it comes to organizational hierarchy, our seniors, like our managers, don't have enough knowledge. So at that point in time, we need to learn to underplay our expertise so that we can work with them. So probably something team building activities, rapport building activities, proper networking on LinkedIn and Glassdoor. So if I would like to suggest something, I would say how to build network. That is very important, sir. So I'm definitely interested in passing inputs on how to build correct network in your area of expertise, like finance or marketing or HR.
So please send in detail a mail
Yes,
so
sir.
that it will be, because you may not be having enough time to speak.
Yes, sir.
And so we request all the alumni here to kindly write down their ideas, their requirements, etc., as per the present needs of the industry. And that will be very much helping us. And we are autonomous, and so we can change the things in 6 months' time. There is no problem at all. We'll follow your advice.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Harini. Thanks a lot. We
Thank
look
you,
forward
Harini.
for any addressing to the upcoming students as well. If you have any feasibility, can you please address the upcoming students so that they'll groom themselves? Harini?
Yes, ma'am. I would be happy to volunteer, ma'am. Not an issue at all.
Yeah,
Thank you so
Harini,
much.
one more point here. Looking at your points, what you have mentioned here, we have a finance specialization club, as you are aware of, right? Apart from the regular clubs. So we, under that, we have various activities related to finance, as you are stating, underwriting process. So
Yes, ma'am.
team building process. You can also give us inputs to learn from this club. So as sir said, please give your inputs in writing. So just plan for something where they can also practice in this specialization finance club, where they can work it out, the process. And tomorrow, if they go for interviews also, they can say we are ready with this process.
Yes.
Right? Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I now request Someshwar to please introduce yourself and your work.
Sure, ma'am. I am Someshwar. I have completed my MBA in the batch of 2013 to 15, and after that I have worked for 1 year in ICICI Bank, and after have some personal household work. So for 1.5 years I have taken the break and have joined back in CA audit office as an audit assistant, and came from that I have got the opportunity to work in SADMED Specialties Private Limited. It's pharma company. It is a manufacturer of sanitizers, right? Presently, I'm working since 1 year, 1.5 year right now as an accounts executive, and I very thank. This is I got very good opportunity to thank every faculty, Dr. Gangadhar sir, Sandhya ma'am, Sukanya ma'am for helping me the project, Soumya ma'am, Sunil sir, Srikanth sir, Lenin sir, to all faculty. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Someshwar. Thank you so much for being there.
Thank you, ma'am.
I now request Mehul to please speak a few words. Mehul, are you there?
Yes, ma'am, I am here.
Hi, Mehul.
Hi, everyone. I am Mehul and I am from 2017 to 2019 batch. After my education, my journey with SNIST, I joined Berkadia. We had the same program called as BCRE where I was selected, and I am right now into servicing of loans uh, which are already built by the production side. So the part which I play over here is we review all the loans which are under the servicing portfolios, and we give a risk management kind of thing as an output to them. In my journey in Srinidhi, it was a great one. Initially when I came in, I was very much worried about how would I go on to stage. And I still remember Lenin sir taking our leadership classes, and first as
Mehul,
my roll number was one, we told by all the lecturers to get down because we didn't speak well. But that actually built confidence in me. And after that, we had some inter-college fest where we took part. And overall, I can say uh, now I'm able to speak with everyone, whoever they are and wherever they are. So it always built my confidence in Srinidhi. And also, I would like to add upon is the club activities that helped us a lot. I hope you all remember Yamini, Soumya ma'am, and Sandhya ma'am. She is right now in my team only, and we both conduct activities almost like every 2 weeks for our team. She's actively taking a part in this thing.
Good to hear that, Mehul.
Thank you, ma'am. That's it from my side.
thank you so much. Can we hear from Ram?
Yeah, good evening all. Myself Ram. I am 2016.
Ram, can you be a bit louder?
Okay, myself Ram. I am
Yeah.
2000 passed out. I'm audible, ma'am. Yeah. Okay. See, I am 2016 passed out. I learned many things from Srinidhi. Okay, from some ma'am's communications class. Okay, I still remember that those days passed just a few 3 days back or 2 days back. Okay, right now I am working as a stock market trader. I am trainer. I will train the students. Okay, and also I have the training institute, which will guide the students to get the placements in investment banks like Goldman Sachs, okay, like that company. we have the faculty like the working industry experts, chartered accountants, and financial advisors to the MNCs. Okay, and myself, I will teach economic subjects. That is my profile, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, Ram. Thank you so much. Vinay? Vinay, can we hear from you? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Hello, all. I'm Vinay. I'm from the batch of 2016 to 18. So currently, I'm working in Berkadia, which is a platform provided by the Srinidhi. So I'm thankful for that. So currently, I'm working as a financial analyst with Berkadia from past 2.5 years. So mostly in the Feb, it would be going to be 3 years. So my experience in college is yes, it was a wonderful experience being listening with all the lecturers, maybe Soumya ma'am, Sandhya ma'am, Sukanya ma'am, Lakshmi ma'am, Vishwanath sir. Yes, everyone helped me in those career, and mainly in the placement part, Sunil sir helped us a lot in getting the placements for us and getting placed for the future endeavors for us. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much for that. And ma'am, just a second. So sorry for that. Yeah, and even Sukanya ma'am helped me a lot taking mock interviews, which really helped me in placing in Berkadia. And yes, there was many fests we have conducted, like Envision. We had a fest of Envision 2K17 where I was a part of it. When lecture, we had a very good events in that, and many participants helped us in that event going successful. And we also went to a event in Pragati Mahavidyalaya Degree College as well, which was very exciting. And other thing is we had a presentation of Make in India. Still, I have the certificate. Me and Krishna Teja presented on it, so I'm thankful for that as well. So coming to the future part, according as I'm into a finance basis, I would like to be an entrepreneur. So as of now, currently I'm working. So, but maybe in the future I'll take some time and be an entrepreneur with my knowledge. Yes, that's it. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
So our best wishes are always with you.
Yeah, thank you so much, ma'am. With all your blessings.
Thank you so much. I now request youngest alumni, Lakshmi Sarvani. Sarvani, are you there? Yeah. Sarvani, can you please speak about your current business that you're taking up? Please unmute yourself, ma.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sirs. Actually, right now I'm doing this textile and food business.
Sarvani, introduce yourself, your batch and other stuff, please.
Yes, ma'am. Hi, guys. My name is Sarvani. I'm from 2018 to 20 batch. When I've joined, my HOD is Sukanya ma'am, and in the second semester, now in the third semester, HOD has changed to Sandhya ma'am. And I mainly remember my marketing sir. He's my inspiration for my successful business today. And I'm very, very, very thankful to him. And my second thanks to Sunil sir. One day in my class, he told about Hemashri Radha, that sister. Actually, by then my food business was not that great. But once I heard about that girls, even I have to do that. Even I have to reach that stage. And that gave me a boosting. And today it's like, it's going very nicely.
Tell us about your business, ma. What is it
business
into?
Is like men textiles, women textiles, like whatever we need from morning, when we get up from morning to till night, all those I'm dealing with now. And coming to food, like in Hyderabad, not only Hyderabad, most of my generation people don't know how to cook. Because even I don't know how to cook. So when I was in hostel, my mama used to give all that ready-made foods. I thought
A
how
big
many
smile
people
on
are
Harini's face. A big smile on Harini's face. That speaks a lot, Harini. I could sense it. Sorry, Sarvani. Yeah, continue, please.
Whenever my mom gives some homemade foods, now all my friends like, Abba, where you got? Even I want. Someone like, even I'll pay for your mom. Please bring for me also. So, like many people are there now. Why didn't I try this? So, for the first time, I have sold that idli karam. For the 5 rupees, I still remember. It was for 5 rupees for just for fun, I told. She gave me. And next day, she ordered 2 kgs. And that's how it went. For all the bachelors, for all the IT employees, and for all the housewives who have their husbands work very early, working women, everyone who don't know cooking and who all believe this 2 minutes Maggi is very good. That instant food mixes, instant dosa mixes, homemade chocolates, all those. So as a part of that, I used to go to for schools, the Christian schools, missionary schools. In some schools, like they have every Saturday some kind of parent meetings, etc. Parent-teacher meeting. So they used to appreciate the children who perform well. So instead of saying good or very good, why don't you give some gift? School kids are they like nursery, pre-KG kids. They don't wish to study. They'll find all the reasons to escape it. So learn with love. I used to make chocolates with alphabets. 1 brick of chocolate with A, 1 brick of with B. Eat this, learn this. So that's what. According to season, like if your wife's birthday is there, if your husband's birthday is there, from ages to all, sugar-free, no added chemicals. Even if you have a sugar also, you can eat, no problem. And I assure you don't have any health problems. All the flavors, all the whatever you want, I will provide within 24 hours. Not near doorstep, but nearby bus stop. So that's what.
That's nice. Sarvani, I still remember those chocolates I received from you in the first semester.
Yes,
they were too yummy and tasty. I'm
Yes,
sure
yes,
all the
we
kids
enjoyed a lot also, Soumya.
Yes, ma'am.
And yes.
Seriously, they were too tasty, and the shapes and the design and all. Yes, wonderful. The packing, even packing
Ma'am,
was attractive. Yes,
ma'am,
For your proposal, yeah, I'm very sorry, Harini. For your proposal, Sarvani, Madhura madam was saying there are distributors related to it for all the program, for whatever is the work which you're doing. So I asked her, we'll give you the contact number. I hope you're in touch with Madhura ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You relate to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? We hope you establish your,
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
Hello?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I hope with the help what she can provide, because she had a talk with another person related to it, and they are ready to promote, or they are ready to provide you certain inputs where you can establish your empire of chocolates. So hopefully all of us also will be along with you in this. I hope everybody is with me, maybe not for themselves, but for their family and kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Madhura ma'am.
Yeah, Harini, you were speaking something.
Yeah, Harini.
I'm sorry, ma'am, no issues at all. What I wanted to add to her is that my father actually has a catering business, ma'am, which means that he already has an established base in terms of business. So if she's interested, I can actually pass on her number to my father, so that he does a lot of caterings, ma'am. Even during COVID, he's having a lot of orders happening, which means that every order is like, every marriage is like a sweet occasion. So probably we can kind of coordinate with her and see if she can supply chocolates to these kind of events as well, if that's okay.
Seriously. So Sarvani, you have flowing content here. See? So the only thing is you have to make the best utilization of the opportunities
Yes,
that are
ma'am.
being given now. So you can contact me, Ma. I'll help you out with Harini's number. Harini, I'll be in touch with you, Harini.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am. That's
I'll
absolutely
give
fine.
you your contact number to her as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Thank you, Harini. Thanks a lot.
No
Thank you,
worries.
sister.
No worries. That's okay.
So now we will hear from our politician, Sir Nikhil. Are you there?
Hi, ma'am.
Hi,
So,
Nikhil. How are
I'm
you?
always your
Oh, first of all,
student. I'm not a
congratulations.
politician for you guys. So,
Congratulations. Congratulations for your married life.
thank you. Thank
Yes,
you.
please.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. So, my name is Nikhil. I passed out SNST in the year 2013. So I worked after passing out from work for Beam Telecom for 3 months, Hyderabad territory sales officer. But later I moved to US. I worked for global companies like, am I audible?
Yeah, yeah.
Can't hear you. Hello?
Hello, can you guys hear me? Yeah, management consultant.
Nikhil, it's audible.
Yeah, I work for ES Sports as the IT project management consultant. Then I work for Amway at their headquarters in Michigan. Then I work for Hub Group, which is a logistics company. So I worked for everyone as project management consultant. Then I wanted to move back to India. So I found some vacuum in political consulting and social media marketing. So I started doing social media marketing for some in US itself. So somehow the biggest hit was the current education minister Sabta Reddy social media campaign. I ran it from sitting in US for last elections. So then right now I moved back in December 2019 to India. I started a small company called Dominate Digital World. We are not into full-fledged yet. It's a marketing company. So we are our niche is political consulting and social media marketing for politicians. So on career based, initially for Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka for Youth Congress social media, and very soon I'll be taking even Telangana for in 1 or
Nikhil, you're not audible now.
Voice getting interrupted.
Yeah. Nikhil, can you hear me? I think he lost connection. Yeah, he lost connection. Not an issue. We're so happy to have him here. He's back, I guess. Nikhil?
Sorry, can you hear me now?
Yeah, Nikhil.
There was
Please.
some Wi-Fi issue.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I don't know till when was my loss. When did you hear my? So right now I
You
have a
were
small
talking
digital
about your
marketing company.
social digital marketing. Yeah. Digital
Yeah,
marketing.
I have a small digital marketing with 3 people under me. So I have a voluntary organization in Karnataka and AP. I don't pay them, but they work voluntarily on their own interest. So I'm handling right now like 500 people, approximately 500 people from both the states. So I have a travel ticketing website to call Tour Help, which makes my small amount of money. To help, which where you can book your flight tickets, cars, cruises, hotels across the world. So we are going to launch even that as a full fledged. Though we launched it, but due to COVID, we did not run it full scale. So once we have the vaccine and everything, we are going to hit it full scale in the market. The website is on, and we have bookings going on, especially in US market right now. Yeah, I got recently married. Sorry, I could not invite anyone because due to COVID restrictions. So I don't have a lot of inviters to be. There were a lot of restrictions from government. I could not invite everyone. The limit was only 50 people. So yeah. On the Narsimha sir was asking the suggestion side. So I don't know whether the curriculum has a digital marketing right now in the marketing field of in the SNST MBA. But there's a lot of space for the innovation on the digital marketing side, like Hootsuite is one of the software we use for collaboration of our social media content. And also if someone can put up a new software which is very at lesser cost, it's going to be a bigger hit in the market. Hootsuite is there. Even we use software called Restream, which is also subscription based, but it's a bit costly. If we have an Indian version in lesser price, definitely people are going to use it. Where we usually do recorded videos as live on different Facebook pages we have. And I personally am admin for several pages. So I'm also a social activist. I take up issues on related to especially wrong utilization of public money by government officials and politicians. So over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nikhil. Sunil sir, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, ma'am. Nikhil, thank you. Thanks a lot joining with
Nice
us.
seeing
And
you,
even you spoke. I think hope maybe I joined in 2013 itself, which is why even I did not come across
Not
with you guys.
much, yeah.
I think hope maybe can you please switch on your video so that I can identify you.
It's already switched on.
Nikhil is on, sir. We are able to see him.
Nikhil is on. Okay. 1 second.
Yeah, I use that background, so to ignore that background. I use it for my regular Zoom meeting.
Fine. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
Nikhil, see, even it's a very good suggestion which you have already given to us to include this social media marketing or digital marketing related oriented one. So it's my pleasure to invite you to, once if it is everything settled down, why won't you visit SNIST and guide our students? And even if it is not settled down, if it is continued like this, then we'll organize one session for you for exclusively marketing students. So please address to the marketing students based on your free time.
Sure, anytime for you. There's nothing. If the business is fine, but I'm into marketing right now, so it's in the blood. I can speak anytime if you wake me up in the midnight too. So
yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, and even we have to think on the other side of the market is the content generation is where the many agencies are lacking, like creative content generation, how it is and all. One of the thing I learned, if you have seen this bathroom cleaners, Harpic, what do you call, different brands we see, they show us how they fear the content they show is the fear pictures, how many germs kind of thing. So that content generation style is very important. And the sentiment analysis is something where the many Indian marketers are missing.
So you mean to say about the content writing, right?
Content creation. It might be writing or the images or the videos. Everything.
Okay.
A lot of freelancing projects too. People are even I do hire freelancers from Fiverr and pay them per hour or depending on the work. So instead of hiring for full-time resource, whenever we need a content writing, it might be sometimes we need content from Hindi to English or copywriting ads of something. So we hire freelancers rather than having a full-time resource in the office. Right now, my penthouse is my office, so I use it.
So always great people will start like that only.
It's not that, but it's cost saving.
I think hope maybe Facebook is also started like that. And even all big organizations started like that only, right?
So Nikhil, how are your
Hope so.
classmates, your friends? Are you in
With
touch
all your
with them?
blessings.
Nikhil?
Yeah, I'm in touch with few people, but not in regular basis except birthdays and festivals.
Okay.
I'm in
Fine.
touch with them except only on birthdays and festivals. So everyone is busy in their own life and family life.
So we are happy to get your updates through Facebook at least. Nice to
Yeah.
see you. We look forward for continuous association. As sir was mentioning, wish you could take time and address our upcoming students about all the current things that you're speaking about. That would be of great help, seriously.
Sure. Well, let's have one session once we have the colleges, everything open and all.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Nikhil.
Thank you, Nikhil. Are we done with all the students? Sandhya ma'am,
Yes.
you're back at home?
Yeah, just now I arrived. Hi, hello everyone. Good to see you all because I'm enjoying whatever you are saying because seeing all of you from Soumya's batch to the current last year batch. So thank you everyone. Nikhil, that was really appreciated from your end that you're going to contribute to our marketing students because day by day what is happening is people, Arpan, this is to you also, students opting for HR elective in our college. Everybody is going with finance and marketing, and finance strength is high and marketing around 15 to 18 students. So we have also included latest topics in marketing, but what you have discussed right now, that could also be included as a part of our curriculum with the modifications what you described. So definitely we would take that input, and as Sunil sir stated that because of this pandemic, we could arrange for a online webinar also based on your convenient times. Whenever you give your dates, we will ensure that all our students would be available to take the inputs from your end. And any major changes in the projects which you would like to make them do as a part of your activities, we are definitely here because we are providing project topics also. Any survey-based projects, if you want them to give, we would definitely give it to the students and they'll work it out.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you so much for all
Sure,
the
ma'am.
inputs.
Thank you. Yeah. Sure, ma'am. Thank you.
I have shared the feedback link in the chat box. I request all the alumni to please take a couple of minutes from your valuable time and fill it on because it's totally the inputs that you give us that would help us groom our upcoming batches. So we look forward for a good feedback from all of you about the
Can you
changes.
resend the link, ma'am? Because
Yeah,
since
sure. Yeah.
I've logged the, yeah, sure.
Point noted, ma'am. Good feedback. Yes, ma'am. Adjective taken.
Oh, I didn't get you.
No, point taken and noted, ma'am. Good feedback. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, we are we are asking for changes to be made in the curriculum and other
Yes,
stuff.
it will be done.
Thank you so much. Yes, Nikhil, can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Thank you, Nikhil.
Here, Soumya, I would like to tell them, see, whenever you find that there is something new which needs to be introduced to the young generation, which needs to be put up, kindly send us and we are ready to interact with your people based on your convenient times only. Because we are every year, we are making changes in the curriculum and we would really be happy if you can take some sessions for the young generation to work on it. Either it could be on the interview skills or domain knowledge or any contemporary topic which you feel is required for the industry readiness. I appreciate if you could kindly take your time and provide your inputs to all our young generation because you have stood as an example to the others as an entrepreneur, as a business people, and as a career oriented people. So we want our young generation also to run in your same paths and to walk and learn from your ends. So everybody take time to give your inputs either in the form of webinars or it could be an interactive meet through WhatsApp chat also. We'll include the youngsters also where you can provide your inputs whenever they have doubts related to it. Apart from the domain knowledge, what we provide, the other activities related to it, you can definitely help them out. Right, Ram? I've seen that you have been, tremendous change in your career directions, and now I see you are helping with reference to the stock markets, and that is very much required for everybody, both for engineering and for BTech background, for MBAs. So we also look forward to have a session from you to enlighten the students of engineering as well as our MBA students work on with the current stock markets.
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Actually, more of finance students, especially into investment banking.
Okay.
A lot of messages from HR.
Okay.
They required 500 plus per day. I will get such type of emails from them.
Okay.
We will work together.
So Ram, keep in touch.
Always. Actually, I have the contact number, Sunil sir contact number.
No, please share your contact numbers of your respective batches because we are not having many numbers. We are trying to post it in the WhatsApp groups, but through your networks and through your WhatsApp groups, if you have your friends' batch contact numbers, do share with us where we can maintain a record and speak with them also regularly. Right? Because Soumya madam, as you know, she is trying very hard every year to pull up the alumni. Right? And you know the effort that she keeps in. So when we have contacts like this for the next alumni meet or any other coming sessions, we would be better, it will be helpful for us to contact them and pull them, because if you could see Shiv Nagraj, I was very much interested. I asked Soumya, why don't you invite him to speak with our entrepreneurs? What are the problems that they are facing? What kind of financial assistance they require? Such kind of input can be provided. And you might have seen in the general meeting which has been held by Natsma Reddy Garu, one of our alumni, Radha, she started her own company and she visited and she has given internships to our students, and she has given a placement also for a couple of students. So that's really wonderful from her end. Such kind of things really makes change for our management students also. So she has come and she has shared. If you have your network, we would definitely share, because her brand is purely into healthy snacks, and she's also importing both into import and export. Our entire Srinidhi faculty are purchasing from her and through online. It was really an motivation for her, because our college has called up. They have she is also a member in IEEE, where she has included herself and she's been promoting herself. She's in maybe which place, sir? Sunil sir?
Ma'am?
Challapalli.
Yeah, ma'am.
Challapalli.
Nacharam.
Nacharam, she has set up her firm. So if time permits, whenever you are there, kindly visit, so that it will be like exchanging of notes from one alumni to the other related to their developments. So I request everybody to provide the contact numbers of your friends. That would really help us to meet them and speak with them.
Radha is actually missing this program, ma'am. She messaged me. She was telling that she is out of station, or she is busy with some pre-planned meet. So she's not able to attend today, but she actually wanted to, ma'am. So I just shared these memories, all these snaps of our today's alumni meet with her, and she's so glad that we are talking about her here.
It's a brand which is speaking, and the kind of confidence she had that she's going to start off. Migo is a healthy snack for all the industry, colleges, schools she's providing, and now she's also exporting it. That's really a good sign for us from School of Management Studies. Somebody's providing employment to the others.
We are all proud of her, ma'am.
Yeah.
And even she got Young Entrepreneur Award also, ma'am, from State Government of
Yes.
Telangana.
Yes.
Yes,
So,
yes.
it's a time to celebrate such kind of alumni when we are in touch with this such kind of alumni meets. So I request everybody to, set up a group where we have such kind of motivational leaders speaking to young generation. Because batches come and go, but there are people who still turn up to the young generation and want to make them, this is what is industry asking for. So let us contribute to our generation. And they call up and say, this is what, whenever there is an interview, we call our seniors and say, kindly help them. And they say, yes, ma'am, we'll take classes. And they are the ones who are providing inputs now. So it should be from everybody, right? So I appreciate if you could kindly share your numbers along with your friends, whoever are in India or abroad, so that we can keep in touch with them and meet whenever there is a need for us to interact. I think everybody is with me, right? Yes? Shall we have it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
We have other faculty from SMS as well. Harinath sir, Lakshmi madam, Madhura madam. Madams and sir, do you want to interact? We look forward to listen from you. Vishwanath sir. Yeah, sir.
Hi all. Good,
Hi,
good
sir.
to see you. Good to see you all. I heard so I'm sorry I could not be there for a few minutes. Good to see you again, and
My students.
a lot of changes. I could see some alumni. I'm not. I don't know some people because I have joined in 2011. I mean, after that, I know some students like Someshwar, Harini. Of course, these people. Recently completed students also joined. No? So I could say Ram, of course, Nikhil, Mehul. Yeah, I could remember all these people, but don't know about Omkareshwar. Of course, I have seen sometimes. I mean, one or two times they might have visited our college, right? So I could recognize their faces, but I don't have direct interaction with them. Anyhow, it's good to see you again, and hope for better inputs to us to our curriculum development and student development. Thank you very much for joining.
Sir, I still remember what you taught us on the blackboard, sir, when it came to strategic management. అస్సలు ఒక్క ముక్క ఫైనాన్స్ వచ్చేది కాదు సార్, నేను ఆనెస్ట్ గా చెప్తున్నా. అండ్ దెన్ ఐ గాట్ థర్డ్. ఐ థింక్ మీ సబ్జెక్ట్ లో నాకు 81 వచ్చింది సార్. ఫస్ట్ సబ్జెక్ట్ లో ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఫెయిల్ అయ్యాను సార్ అకౌంట్స్ లో. అలాంటిది సెకండ్ ఇయర్ దగ్గర మీ దగ్గరకు వచ్చి నేర్చుకొని ఇన్పుట్స్ అవన్నీ పెట్టుకున్నాక స్ట్రాటజిక్ ఫైనాన్షియల్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ ఇస్ నో మోర్ ఛాలెంజ్ సార్. ఇప్పుడు చేయగలను కొంచెమైనా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thanks, Amma. Thanks for remembering.
Ayyo.
Yeah, Ram, from marketing to finance.
Yes, sir.
Some brochures from you. It's good. Someshwar, Someshwar also grown a lot, I think. Right, Someshwar? Unmute yourself. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
All the best for your future.
Thank you, sir.
Over to Samya madam.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Vishwanath sir. I request Harinath sir, sir, if you're available. Lakshmi madam. Okay, Madhura madam.
I already interacted in the beginning
Yes,
itself.
ma'am. Now we have few more joinees, so I thought you would love to.
Someshwar batch, I think I taught them BCSs.
Yes,
Am I
ma'am.
right? Somesh, you are the CR
Yeah,
and you are collected all the presentations of the students.
yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Remember? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
I think this Farzana is your batch,
Yes,
Shabana.
ma'am. Farzana.
Farzana is in touch in the Facebook.
Okay, ma'am.
And yeah, Ram batch, Avinash, Ram, T20 and Avinash were that batch, particular batch, right? And 5 also I taught the same subject, I think so. MCS, I think, MCS. Yeah. Next, Harini batch, managerial economics as well as MCS. Am I right, Harini?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yeah?
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes.
And next comes is Mehul Modi leadership classes, leadership seminars and everything. Mehul, are you there? Roll number 1. Yeah, that's what. And Harini, you are on Facebook. I regularly see your updates on your Facebook, whatever you
Yes,
posted.
ma'am.
Yeah, and remaining and Lakshmi Sravya, I think I have talked with you and interacted with you at last semester entrepreneurship classes. Uh, Lakshmi Sravya, am I right? She's a girl, na? She started with that business and everything.
Lakshmi
Chocolate.
Sarvani, ma'am. Yes, yes.
Sarvani.
Lakshmi
Sarvani.
Sarvani.
Last semester only I have interacted with her with entrepreneurship classes and everything. Sorry ma, I missed your contact number and I was asking Sandhya ma'am about your contact and everything to discuss with regarding to your startup marketing and everything. So there were many people were asking about me. Even when there is one NGO, they wanted some kind of refreshments and everything to be healthy sponsoring for them. I'll give the details. Please be in touch with me. I need your contact number. Okay.
Ma'am, I have shared your contact number to her, and I'll
yeah.
be sharing her contact number to you as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh?
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Okay,
Sarvani, I
and
heard that you have not
remaining students, I think all of you like Omkareshwar, Arpan and Nikhil, you might be having a well attachment and you're more senior to the department over here. I wish all the best for your career also in the future and be in
Thank you
touch
so
with our
much.
departments.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you all. Over to
So
Soumya.
nice, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Sandhya, ma'am. I hope we are done with the formal session.
Okay.
Ma'am,
We
shall-
all miss Sukanya ma'am and Gangadhar sir who have been, Satyanarayan sir who have been with us in molding everybody, even me. When I joined this department under the leadership of Satyanarayan sir, right? I still remember the points, what he has told me, and we have been implementing it for a long time. And Sukanya ma'am also miss her because she was the one where we have been a part for all these batches from Soumya to till date. So definitely, I hope you all are with me that we miss Sukanya ma'am, and I wish everybody, all of us from our heart, SMS department faculty and myself, that you grow in your career and mark yourself as an example to the others. And with this note, I also thank the coordinators, Soumya and Sunil sir, who have been very kind enough in talking to you, arranging and taking time from your end and making this a grand success with 24 alumni in this meet. Last time, personally, we had in the college, at that time also we had very good number, but now it's really a tough time for you people also to join because it's late after 6 o'clock after the general, but you have taken time and stayed with us. Thank you everyone. And I wish we do meet in the next meetings also.
Thank you so much, ma'am. No matter where we find ourselves, we should always keep in touch. So I thank each and every alumni who took all the time, your precious time, to make your presence felt here. And all your inputs will be definitely adding value to our upcoming curriculum. I request once again all the faculty, to all the students, alumni, to please fill the Google form. Your feedback is very valuable to all of us for grooming our upcoming students. So please keep in touch, and I wish everybody a happy new year.
Thank you, ma'am. Wish you the same.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I mean, Soumya, time become precious when we attend sessions and alumni meet like this. Okay, so we have not taken precious time, but we made time precious. Thank you so much, Soumya and Sunil sir. And one thing I would like to know, actually, it's out of curiosity. I mean, MBA is much of activities rather than theory. We used to do many activities on Thursday. I mean, definitely
Club
we are,
activities.
yeah, club activities. Used to wait for
Management
Thursday to get
activity.
into action. How about now? I mean, is it going on, just to know in this open forum?
We are managing online to a certain extent. Definitely not on
No,
the
no,
head of
not on this
club
area.
activities.
This is exception. I mean, in general, so not for this.
Yeah, you're talking about online mode, right? Or
No, no,
offline in
in
general?
general, I mean, before Corona, I mean,
In general, it is still on. It is still on. We have added a
awesome,
couple of few more things like specialization club as well.
awesome. So, I mean, just my feeling in it, voice is coming out from my heart through my mouth to tell you that book club is one of the thing which can be initiated, because that is the main expertise, write their experience in 100 to 400 pages. So that could be one of the activity can be taken in club group, which I feel so.
Could you please add to it?
Yeah, I mean, one of the activity, book reading activity, or taking initiative
Book reading. Okay.
Yeah, picking up one book in a month, or in one book in 2 months. It would really add, because there is a lot of experience content in the pages. This is what I felt, thought of sharing you.
Seriously.
Thanks for listening.
Yes. That would even help to improve the communication skills, I guess.
Yeah, it depends on the perception of individual
Thank
perception.
you.
What is the individual core strength?
Yeah.
He or she will develop either readings or strategy management, anything. It's a 360 degrees plan, open platform to improve or sharpen their skills.
Okay, such a nice input. Thank you.
Most welcome.
Thank you so much. Any more inputs from the alumni? We'll be glad to receive.
Ma'am, I wanted to share a thought if that's all right.
Yeah, Harini.
So with regards to the interviews, no, ma'am, I'm happy to hold online classes. I mean, as long as it's suitable before like 12 in the night for me. Over the weekends, I'm actually happy to kind of speak to like 10 or 20 people or whoever is having an interview the next day. Just to kind of groom them and give them that, because that certain kind of answering technique, ma'am. When I was clearing my role for this role, ma'am, insurance underwriting role, when I was applying, they had feedback that they required certain kind of answers from the candidate to actually be cleared for the role and all. So,
One second, Harini. I request other participants to please remain mute. All the participants, please. 1 second, Harini. I'll be muting everybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Harini, please.
Yes, ma'am. So, if it is okay, I will be available over the weekends, ma'am. Either over the weekends or around Fridays. Like Friday, I'll be finishing work like 6 p.m. my time, ma'am. So post that I am available to actually speak to a group of people and just let them know how the whole interview works, ma'am. And if at all they do want any knowledge in finance in terms of basics, in terms of an interview perspective, ma'am, not book and concept perspective, but how they're supposed to present financial information in layman terminology. This needs to be done if any person needs to get a role in finance, ma'am, because I didn't know anything into finance, and then I started writing whatever you told me. That is continuing even with underwriting, ma'am. Even in this role, it's like completely new zone for me, but I started writing it down 10 times, understanding how the whole thing works. So if you want industry practical application knowledge, I'm here, ma'am, straight away.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Seriously.
Thank you. Thank you, Harini, for giving even to listen you from Australia and joining this session.
Yes,
So,
sir.
can you tell us which time you comfort to take this session?
Sir,
Timing.
I'll be
IST,
yes,
IST,
sir.
please.
Friday.
Harini, IST
IST.
times.
I'll just check with my husband, ma'am. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఉండండి.
You can just text me, not an issue. Let him sleep. Probably it's late
He's
night.
not sleeping, ma'am. He's actually playing Tekken. ఆయన ఆన్లైన్ లో గేమ్ ఆడుతున్నారు. వాట్ ఈస్ 2 PM? మనకి 6 PM ఎప్పుడు ఎండ్ అవుతుంది? 6 PM దేర్ ఇండియన్ టైం.
-4 hours.
మనకి 11:30 we can say such. Okay. Yes, ma'am. So it should be done, ma'am. 11:30 our time, my time is fine, ma'am. I'll be available.
Okay, fine. I'll keep in touch with you in
11:30 Indian time.
అనుకుంటా
No,
sir.
their time, sir. I'll just keep in touch with her.
6 o'clock
6
is in
PM.
the evening. Yeah.
I'll be there, ma'am.
Thanks, Harini.
Yes, ma'am.
I always take you as an example and tell our students to write a finance dictionary because you are the one who were like, you are a surprise packet to me when you opted for finance in that list. Do you remember that day you were taking an exam, internal exam, and I was the one who was collecting the list of elective choice.
I
You-
think that is best decision of my life, ma'am. I think I need to thank Harinath. Like even if my career is going well in terms of finance and all that, ma'am, abbai motivate chesadu, ma'am. Nenu adaithe chepta.
Seriously.
And me guidance, ma'am. International financial management was my favorite subject.
Thank
Me guidance
you.
lekapothe asalu em avvadu, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Harini. Seriously, I take you as an example. I keep telling you, I think I have told you in Lakshmi Sarvani's class also that Harini, she used to write a lot. She was actually supposed to take marketing, and in the second year, she opted for finance. So she was like catching hold of all the books and coming to me, writing all the terms. And I still remember your handwriting.
And she always says that, ma'am, I'm always blank now. Nate, help me. Which is one what I heard from Harni many a times. Now it's, now she says that she's really working on it and she has been successful in that. That's really wonderful, Harini. And Arpan, I want to also have your session to train the students because you're into HR. So
Yeah.
can you also take up interview skills like mock interviews when we arrange for them to go for interviews? Now you people can be panel members. Like you are very much interested to ask them and to check their knowledge pertaining to the presentation, or it could be any other interview skills.
Sure, ma'am.
Definitely we require your help, Arpan, here.
Sure, ma'am. Anytime.
Thank you.
Arpan, especially SAP related oriented one, even SAP modules also.
Yeah. SAP HR functional modules. I can.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. No problem.
Anybody is into analytics from our alumni? Analytics. Because that is what many students are asking, analytics. We have business analytics as a core paper, but we want to add up on this also, electives on analytics subject. So if you have any expertise in that or related any persons you are aware of, please let us know where we can arrange some lectures related to it, where we can have a faculty development program also.
Ma'am, are you talking about a business analyst, data
Yes.
analyst, market analyst?
Yes. We under business analytics, we will also include marketing analytics and HR analytics. Your voice is not audible, Nikhil.
Analyst or a data analyst?
Yeah.
You're right, data
If it is,
analytics.
okay. If it is
Under
business
data
analyst,
analytics?
I can speak on that. So data analytics, again, it goes by tool wise, which tool they are using, because the market, in real world, they are using different tools. So it goes by tool based training rather than general speaking on it.
Okay. So we have one subject under that particular stream, business analytics. it's only a core paper which we have introduced, and Lakshmi madam is well versed with that, and she's taking care. So we want some more inputs with related to it also. We will send the syllabus to you, Nikhil, right? If
Okay, ma'am.
which
Let me look into that.
orientation and your projection towards that orientation would definitely help us to make changes in the curriculum.
Nikhil, could you please share your contact details, your contact number as well as your mail ID if possible,
Helping
in the chat box?
helping
Or
you on Facebook. No
not
worries.
an issue. Fine.
Yeah,
Thank you,
helping
Nikhil.
you. You're welcome.
Sandhya ma'am, anything else to discuss with the alumni?
No, Made, we have taken a lot of time of this.
You take time, madam.
So
You take more time, madam. No problem.
seriously, thank you so much. But we do not want to trouble you, but we would definitely meet you and interact with you in the coming days also. Not only this
Yes, ma'am.
alumni meet, we will be in touch with you regularly.
Thank you all the alumni for being there with us. So we look forward for this association forever with all of you.
Yes,
Thanks
ma'am.
a lot. Wish you all a happy new year. Good night. Happy
Good night,
weekend.
ma'am. Happy New
Good
Year.
night. Happy New Year. Happy Sankranti.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to everyone, and thank you and
Happy
good
New
night.
Year.
Someshwar,
night.
you are CR, na? You took attendance for the Zoom session.
So wherever it is, I will be the CR. Home. Someshwar is my junior now, so I'll be the CR.
No, I mean, you are faculty now, Someshwar. I mean, give
Whatever
opportunity
it is,
to
you can never
generation.
forget.
Sandhya madam just yeah.
Our entire batch calls me CR only.
Yeah.
Even today. So I took the attendance.
Yeah. Ma తీసుకురా attendance.
Bhavani, I heard that you have not yet finished your project.
This is too good. ఇది బాగుంది sir.
Harini and our guide Harini. Sarvani, we'll be doing
Yes,
it
sir.
soon.
I heard that you have not yet finished your project. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll finish it off.
Completely.
Yeah, I'll come, sir.
Project అయిపోయాక chocolate party.
Sure, sir.
మ్యామ్ నేను పెళ్ళయ్యాక కూడా ప్రాజెక్ట్ వర్కే చేశాను మ్యామ్.
గుడ్
ఇండియా ఆషాఢంలో.
That is all about SNIST.
కానీ సీరియస్లీ సార్ ఇట్ ఫీల్స్ వెరీ గ్రేట్ టు బీ బ్యాక్ విత్ ఎవ్రీ వన్ సార్. ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ హోమ్ సిక్నెస్ అనేది చాలా ఉంటుంది సార్ మాకు, ఆనెస్ట్ గా చెప్పుకోవాలంటే. అమ్మ నాన్న ఫ్యామిలీ అందరూ గుర్తొస్తారు. అండ్ నా సర్టిఫికెట్స్ అన్ని తెచ్చేసుకున్నాను సార్. సర్టిఫికెట్స్, బుక్స్, లైక్ లగేజ్ లో నాది చెక్కింగ్ వెళ్ళినప్పుడు వాళ్ళు యాక్చువల్లీ బుక్స్ ఓపెన్ చేసి చూసారు అనమాట. సో వై ఆర్ యూ క్యారింగ్ దీస్ మెనీ బుక్స్ టు ఆస్ట్రేలియా అంటే ఐ సెడ్ ఐఎమ్ స్టిల్ స్టడీయింగ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. ఐ మీన్ ఇప్పటికీ నేను కూర్చొని చదువుతాను సార్. అది లేకపోతే అది యాక్చువల్లీ సార్ స్టాటిస్టిక్స్ లో ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఐడెంటిఫికేషన్ ఆ మొత్తం ఫిగర్ ఉంది కదా సార్, హైపోథెసిస్, నల్ హైపోథెసిస్, అది మాకు ఇన్సూరెన్స్ అండర్ రైటింగ్ లో చాలా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది సార్. బికాస్ ఐ ఇంటరాక్ట్ విత్ ద హెడ్ ఆఫీస్ అనమాట. మా సూపర్ ఫండ్ కి హెడ్ ఆఫీస్ కి ఇంటరాక్ట్ అవ్వాలి. సో వాళ్ళకి నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నానంటే మీరు చెప్పిన ఆ ఫార్మాట్ అంతా దింపేస్తున్నాను సార్, డిట్టో దింపేస్తున్నాను. సో దట్ ఈస్ హెల్పింగ్ అవర్ ఆఫీస్ వర్క్ చాలా ఈజీ అయిపోతుంది సార్ మాకు. అండ్ దర్ యాక్చువల్లీ డెవలపింగ్ పేటెంట్ అండ్ ఆల్ దట్ అనమాట దానిపైన. సో SNIST ఈస్ అ బిగ్ మైల్ స్టోన్ ఫర్ మీ సార్. నేను అదైతే చెప్తా. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
మరి క్లాస్ వర్క్ ఏం చేస్తున్నాం ఇప్పుడు? హోంవర్క్ అదే చేస్తున్నాం.
నేను మీరు ఇలా అంటారని I'll actually do a switch camera. I don't know.
I have seen Harini, I have seen your notepad. I have seen
pre-planned అని చెప్పి, ఆ తర్వాత అన్ని బోల్డ్ ఇగో సునీల్ సార్ అని చెప్పి ఫైనాన్షియల్ స్పెషలైజేషన్, టీమ్ బిల్డింగ్ యాక్టివిటీస్, అప్లైడ్ నాలెడ్జ్, ఇగో అది మారదు. It will not go. I still made notes even about today's meeting.
Good.
Super.
Kishori, thank you so much. You know, last time also she could take time and come because
yes,
she managed and she came, and today also she joined. Thank you, Krishna Kishori.
Thank you, ma'am. No problem. It was nice to meet you all and join this meet. Actually,
Kittu, I personally thank you, Kittu. Thank you. Thank you so much for being there.
He used
I'm
to
not
say
such
she's
helpful, but it's just like joining. నేనేం హెల్ప్ఫుల్ లేను ఎవరికి. I can't give suggestions to anybody.
See, you are adding to our memories, Kittu. You can't say that.
She
Yeah.
was Miss School in our batch and she is Miss School now. She started actually babysitter ka start chesavu kada soon after you went
Yeah.
to UK. Yeah, I mean,
I used
still
to do
she,
babysitting here.
oh,
I used to
all the
teach
time.
math to my friends' kids, but I'm
Yeah.
not doing that right now because I'm busy with my own 2 kids. They don't listen to me. That's a wonder because I have to send next door. It's a different thing.
చూసి అందరు మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ లాగా మంచిగా ఉండరు నీ మాట వినేకి.
Yeah.
కొందరు ఓం లాగా కూడా ఉంటారు.
సౌమ్య ఇన్స్పైర్ చేసుకుంది. And Shivnagaraj actually he said 4th generation, but he is the first generation to appear in the big screen. I mean, he supplies caters food to the many shooting
Yeah,
areas.
actually,
Recently
we
in
thought
Malaysia
of
movie lo
listening.
kuda,
Yeah, we thought of listening much from him, but
He
he
has
got
expanded his business a lot than
Yes.
it was before. He did a lot actually.
So we thought of listening a lot from him, but it is not possible now. He's not there in the session now. So see, if we can do meet again.
definitely Harni
Okay,
city lo
ma'am.
no India ki support chahiye. Okay, match అవుతుంది test match.
నేను మొన్న
Harni is
టీవీలో వచ్చా.
busy. Harni is very busy taking notes, so please add some important points for her.
మళ్ళా వచ్చేటప్పుడు చెక్ ఇన్ ఎక్కువైపోతుంది నోట్స్ అంటుంది. ఎందుకు ఇండియాలో వచ్చేటప్పుడు.
జోక్స్ కూడా యాడ్ చేసుకుంటే చాలా కష్టం హర్ని.
అయ్యో మా ఆఫీస్ లో మెటీరియల్ అయిపోతుంది అంటున్నారు అక్క. కంప్లైంట్ చేస్తున్నారు, పెన్స్ అయిపోతున్నాయి, రీఫిల్స్ అయిపోతున్నాయి అని. ఐఎమ్ లైక్, నేను మీ పనే చేస్తున్నాను, ఇంకా మీరు స్టేషనరీ కూడా ఇవ్వకపోతే ఇంకెందుకు మీరు.
That's good. Some people have that good habit of taking notes. I think you're one of them.
నాకు అది
You would have,
హ్యాబిట్
no, Harini,
అయిపోయింది.
you would have shared this when Narasimha sir was interacting with you.
Yeah,
He would be
true
the
power
happiest
of Narasimha sir. Just now.
అయ్యో నేను ఆయన చెప్పింది మొత్తం రాసుకున్నాను మ్యామ్. అది ఎప్పుడు యూజ్ అవుతుందో
He would have been the happiest person, seriously. If time permits, if I get a chance, I'll definitely communicate this to him. Yeah.
ఆగి మరి చెప్తా రాసుకున్నావు అమ్మ హరిని మళ్ళీ రిపీట్ చేయమంటావు అంటారు అంత.
ఆ హ్యాబిట్ అసలు పోదు, అది పోదు. అది